Hey folks, I have switched to my MacBook because I need to compile Rust and I don't know, I think my Linux laptop needed a break. So thing is it doesn't have sleep properly when connected to a monitor, so I basically left it on for more than like 48 hours. Maybe I don't know what caused that. This is how the computer is supposed to be. Yeah, but then again it's a Mac, so it probably quit something. It did. Okay, cool. Alright, so by the way, the setup's going to be identical to our Arch, by the way. I am on... Okay, I'm going to close this tab. I'm going to go to Suno. I need to log into Suno. See, this is how web is supposed to be behaving. At least the passkey should be easier now that I'm on a Mac. Yeah. Ecosystem is good though. I mean, dude, just like that. Just remember how long it took us. Mother this. Alright, fine. I think we can proceed. I hope the stream setup is working just fine. I quit the browser somehow. Yeah, the Mac is gonna be buggier than Arch, sure, especially nowadays. But yeah, sure. Oh, for you. What's for you? Okay, like that. Okay, fine. I don't have GitHub signed in. But then again. I'm on Mac. But it's not a very Mac-like password, was it? The porch lights on. Cool. So we're gonna work on utago. This is basically an empty repo. This is probably dark reader too. Let's figure that out. Alright, so I'm gonna go to OSS. I'm gonna rename this to utago. I'm gonna make this a little bigger. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna quickly clone utago. This old heart still keeps your key. Alright, so we have this simple setup here with a beautiful little picture right there, and we can start. But before I even do that, I want to test out the Rust library we'll be looking at. So I'm going to go to desktop, I'm going to create a cargo, new, test AI, go to test AI, cargo add, what is it called? I forgot the name, I think it's Colosseum. Alright, and the language feature. Dude, this is how I was supposed to fly. I don't know what was wrong with my machine. Dude, I really need a framework, dude. Language. Alright. Yeah, I'm not experimenting this. Dude, Mac is amazing. I just need something that's more amazing than Mac. And that is framework. Alright, Tokyo. I don't have Tokyo. Tokyo. What are you doing? Next stop. AI. Let's get Tokyo. I don't know how to say it. All the features, please. Thank you. And that's how long. See? That's how long it should take. Cool. What are we doing here? Okay, the first thing I need to do is create a model. This is the one. No, I want the one that you do. Not this. Yeah, take it up. What is it? So I create a model. Yeah, model is llama 5. Okay, do we have Gemma? What else do we have here? 5, I know. Okay, I don't know. 5 3 it is. And then what else? That's an async function. I get the model. What next? I get the chat, which is a multiple reference to what we see. Model of chat. We got the create. And let's look at my previous video and see what I was struggling to do. System prompt. Okay. You are a pirate called Blackbeard. Let's go with that. Say ha 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 ha. Alright. And then in a loop, I'm going to chat. There's something called prompt input. Right. New line and this thing. And a space. Nothing big. It's like an option. To stand out. Wait. Alright, my main function has to be. There's actually, I'm not going to do box then. Okay, let's do box then. Yeah. Box, guys, error. Arigato gozaimashita. I'm compiling now. What's it? Standard error. That was fine. Cargo run. Release. Mac has forgotten good hardware already. Now you cannot compare an M3 Pro with an i7, but I don't know I really want Asahi Linux too. I really want Asahi. 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 It doesn't exist on M3, dude. Every few fortnights, I get tempted to just go to Facebook Marketplace or go to Cashify and buy an old Mac that has M1. I can install this. But then I remember that I have a MacBook Pro, so going back to MacBook Air, that to an older MacBook Air without a mini LED won't be fun. Plus I've heard like not so good things about battery life. Plus Hyperland on Arch on Asahi, I've heard pricey things. So the most recommended is either use Ubuntu or use Fedora with Hyperland. I want to do Fedora, but I want to do all that, okay, and I would do it today. But if I just go to device support, it just does not support the MacBook 3. There is work going on it, but it's like 2 people working on it. One of them is alright. What was I doing now? I have a result and only return an error, buddy. Are you kidding me? Got the model out of the fucking... How do you make such good libraries, dude? I got tokenizer from Microsoft. Model guff file from somewhere, dude. Why would I use anything else if it's something in Rust that's this good? I can talk to Zehahaha, Peach Son himself in a few minutes with a tiny local model, and plus, this being an M3 Pro, you can actually handle decent models too while handling streaming. Yeah, this is a better fit. Let's just face it. And plus, I'm pretty sure most of you can't even tell the difference. By the way, yeah, buy this. sorry for that. I'm just throwing out references that, first of all, nobody's watching these streams, but if like 5 people watch the stream, one of them may get it. Those are the kind of references I'm putting out there. Yeah, I have really good internet. Bangalore, baby. Silicon Valley of India. I don't know why it's called that. It's nicer. You were standing by the crosswalk, coffee cup. I don't know. Crooked grin. It is a Silicon Valley. We have cafe culture. We have all of that too. Hey. Say ha ha ha. Why can you be okay with multiple devil fruits? No way, Tiny Mall. Alright dude, we can build some cool stuff. I don't care about the AI, but I care about building the stuff around the AI. I mean, I do care about the AI in the sense that if something new comes out tomorrow, it's not just Transformers. Like for example, what Google did with the diffusion Gemma model, right? That was interesting. But yeah, I don't care about any of the AI hype. I do like this. I mean, this is pretty interesting, dude. Such a tiny Rust program can do this, dude. Are you kidding me? Alright, cool. POC is done. RM. RF. SPI. Okay, I'm going to avoid using AI, but I'm also going to use AI when it makes sense. Right? Let's do the UI mainly. Right? I do need the Dioxys CLI. I don't want to give this thing a try, dude. What is that database? Surreal DB. I don't want to give it a try. It's Rust native. And I was doing Ctrl-Shift-V right there. By the way, the reason this is so snappy is, apart from the hardware being good, is that I spent like an effort to downgrade my Mac OS to the one before 26. This is not 26. This is running Sequoia. And that is why it's good. I'm telling you, this is an M3 Pro. I have an M4 Pro 48GB RAM work Mac right there. That's running the latest Mac OS, and that is demonstrably worse than this. Dude. Alright. But granted, it's doing a lot more things sometimes. And generally, when I'm working on my stuff, I'm doing one thing at a time. Right? Whereas at work, I usually have like 5 work streams. 5 Tmux projects, 3 Tmux projects with like 4 to 5 work streams each. So that's a very different world out there. Yeah, of course, it's AI. I don't like it. This is what it is. No, it's Dioxys that's taking time. You would imagine, I mean, this would have taken forever. But cargo bin install is what I need, though. I don't want to compile every single thing I install. I'm not going to go too fast in this stream. I'm going to go a little slow. So that if you want to see how to build desktop apps on with Rust, learn with me. Right? Hey, it is what it is. I've done it before. I have built this thing. I don't know if I have it installed. I don't have it installed. Alright, cargo installed ISO failed. Is it because I was in a Rust project? Dude. Give me that CLI this thing. Dioxys CLI. What was that? Why is every typo a startup out there? Dioxys CLI. They probably have a curl. Yeah, I want that. Are you kidding me? I did a control 60 again. Yeah. Oh, some ASCII art. Oh, it's not ASCII art. It's just new line. And I have DX. Right there. Right there. Cool. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this into a new thing. I am going to... Okay. What's going to be the structure? I want to create a multi-crate app because the app is going to be... First I'm going to start with that. Okay. I'm just going to... Do we have anything yet? No. I'm just going to go cargo new dot. The cargo net. Alright. I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to terminal on the left. And the return right. Alright, so I have this. I want this to be a workspace. I always forget how I do that. I remember there was light docs with that. I think light docs is something I'm going to refer. Makes sense to do that. A similar project. Okay, so yeah, I need a workspace with, I'm just gonna take this out. Addition now I can just copy as is, and we have some workspace dependencies. Alright, this makes sense to me. Same thing basically. Serde, this error is nice, this error. Yeah, Tokyo is fine. I'm going to do Tokyo full. Go full. Okay, Saturday JSON. Okay, sure. I have this. Anything else that I need like throughout? Let's figure out. Cargo add. I need the settings thing throughout. I want that to be common probably. Config. Can I do that? Okay, fine. So how does it work? Once I have this, I can just create apps that are independent, right? So this is nothing, no difference to that. It just lives there. Alright. Again, I'm going to copy this as is because it makes sense. Cargo app. No. DX. DX new utago. I'm very new to app later. Bare bones, of course. That's a no. Yeah. I don't want license code. Actually, dude, that's for the whole thing. RMRF. What is the access full stack code? Code 2. It's code for everything. Do that. Okay, I'm gonna do by default mobile because I'm on a Mac. It looks cool there. Yeah, of course that means something installed there. Oh, it's done. So I can just do utago app. Alright. What happened? What happened? Oh, right. Created right here. RMRF app and the utago app. Okay, what now? The font is huge. Okay, below that, that's a workspace. Okay. No app. What's going on? I have app here. I have cargo terminal. I have plenty terminal also. That comes with there. I guess it has some stuff by default. Access terminal, my title is utago. That's the reason I called it utago while creating. Okay. Okay, I have the features there. The access is there, router is available. Okay. But this was not anything to do with any scaffolding. It was just a feature. Okay, that I like. Oh, yeah, I got it. This is not how we do it. I think I have to do it here. Do hyphen app. What's up? Do I have anything here? There's a lot. What's that? Open code. I do have open code. What's up? YDX. So not working. Workspace issue. I know it's something to do with workspace. I'll try to figure it out here. Meanwhile, I have a look at it. Okay, so I think I need to just reference it in my. Okay, so members, right? Something to do with members. Yeah, app. This I did already. I think it should be done in this.
Perhaps I could do something useful with my life, and I would do it if I did not become exhausted every time. I am living like an animal. At least I feel alive.
Dude.
I am hungry for your money, and I am running out of time.
Oh, the members not utago, it's app.
Bones are weaker, but I cannot
Now I think
extinguish
so.
the fever. I am shaking through the night.
Alright, that works.
Still I cannot slow down.
I don't think it'll just work, dude.
I'm simply grateful that you called.
The phone thing. The web one, the desktop one is fine.
It's always upon my back.
Okay.
So torn, now I am falling into the burnout blues again.
I'm just gonna call it that. I'm gonna rename the access terminal and post that.
I am keeping busy so I do not
Alright.
let it get to my head. It becomes too heavy, and my neck could break from the stress.
Can this
I am in a
one window be
cage of
smaller?
steel, and there is no way out of it. It is all
Since I'm on a
I've
Mac,
ever
this may just
known,
work.
but I am not a masochist. My skin and bones are weaker, but I cannot extinguish the fear.
Yeah, the iPhone simulator is
I
not
am
there.
shaking through the night. Still I cannot slow down.
Let's do it. Diopsis DX. It's not like it's gonna work on an iPhone, dude.
The devil is always upon my back.
Why not? I think this is getting more and more interesting, isn't it?
So torn, now
I have the volume thing.
into the burnout blues again.
Dude, I'm not gonna waste any more time. Sorry. Access terminal. First of all, you are called utago, and cargo terminal default. Stop. No. Okay, so what do we have so far? This is the main RS, where we have the Access Launch app. App is this component which has RSX for icon, style sheet, and routers. This is the same thing as last time. We have a hero component, and the home has hero and echo.
I saw you the other day.
Okay. I'm just gonna remove stuff. Let's just see the default app first, and I'm gonna remove stuff.
some things
Okay.
I could tell. There's a way
My app is
on
ready.
your shoulder, like you've been through hell. I
I'll go to
should
the
have
fourth.
stopped.
This thing.
I should have said.
Yeah, this is something that actually floating is fine for this. Yeah, I have home, I have this crab, I don't want this crab. Yeah. So, let me clean this stuff up.
My best friend, that's what you were.
I can always get this back, or yeah, I can always get this back. I'm gonna remove the nav bar. I'm gonna remove the. Actually, don't do that. Let go. Remove the nav bar. Okay. Echo server is just echoing stuff, that's fine. We're probably using Axum under the hood. We'll figure it out later. What else do we have? We have Hero. I don't want the blog. Alright. Yeah. This is the hero. And we have the link. Alright. And we probably have some CSS that is holding it all together. Alright. That makes sense to me. I'm gonna remove it. I'm just gonna keep echo. Yeah. We have the router here. I don't know what that is for. Icons, calculate is fine. What else? What is the router doing? What is one more? Oh, this is it. Cool. That's not changed. Cool. So whatever I type here, it's just gonna echo back, and there's an app that we have. Cool. Now I'm gonna play some AI stuff. I'm just gonna say redundant. Alright. This app is basically a karaoke, a Shazam style discovery plus Apple Music style sing along begin. I'll have a Cloudflare service to get the song details and all remotely if needed. That's it. I don't want that though. Sorry.
Windows down and radio up, following the shoreline south. Salt air coming through the cab. Can't help.
I'm just playing a salesperson here with just random thoughts that come to my mind here.
Coastal highway rolling by, coastal highway under open skies, coastal highway, every mile feels right, chasing one more sunset into the night.
This is Spotify. If I get the song from Spotify, I can probably get the lyrics from Spotify. And then the
Faded map on the passengers.
there must probably be an API for that. Right, and once I have the lyrics, I'm going.
Hand resting on my knee.
Yeah, let's see if I can get away with the. I don't want to do the search myself. Or maybe I can, yeah.
Like they were made for us. Coastal highway
Spotify link for now.
rolling by,
Maybe
coastal
figure out
highway under
later.
open skies, coastal highway,
Option
every mile
to
feels
discover
right, chasing one more
local
sunset
music. that should then take them to paste lyrics.
If the world keeps calling, let it wait. We got gold on the edge of the day. One more bend and the whole sky leans right into
scenario.
me. Coastal highway rolling by. Coastal highway.
Model will know some lyrics. It's fine. Okay. I deleted that thing. I don't ever tried it. Okay. It knew One Piece, so it definitely knows lyrics. Songs. Okay. Cool. And back home. Now the main stuff. A big button to hum along. When user sings, we want the pipes available in a placeholder. I'll take care of the last. Idea is we recognize song and timestamp and play from there. The karaoke UI. Go crazy with custom table. I don't think open code can do this. I need a good model, proper model for this. I'm sorry to that. Yeah. Go crazy with Tailwind. And what else? Also make sure the apps, the components, and corresponding styles live under an internal styles. You don't do whatever you want. I'm never gonna open the page. It's fine. Live under a package called that under app, and the rest of the utilities with similar modules. Okay. Create sister traits for stuff, placeholder. Example, music search, music library, search, library, etc. Cool. Proceed. This wasn't wrong. Now, how long are we? 30 minutes. Good. I want to stop my screen capture for a second. Can I pause it? Okay, I'm going to make it application capture. Okay, that stopped it. I'm going to quickly log into Codex. We'll do the Rust part. And we'll own the Rust code by whatever front-end code AI generates is also Rust. We'll still own it. The only thing I want to own is CSS, which is reasonable.
to myself, do they really exist at all? Or are they just moving flowers on the wall?
Hold on.
I'm on my way home, down this dusty road. Have you ever looked up at the sky and thought of the moving clouds as some kind of secret code? Every road has its own speed.
All right, we're back. Let's do this.
When you exceed the posted speed.
While that is happening, let me set up the AI part. So, create a system create. Cargo lib. Let's call this guy AI. Oh, inference. Inference is fine. Yeah. If it's local LLM, it is inference. It is real AI. Right. Okay, I have an inference create. What else?
Some kind of secret code.
Good enough. Cool. So the first thing I'm going to do here is add a I'll go add what is it called? Oh, by the way, dude. Basically, an initial commit that I did not push. I don't want to lose my screen. Thank you. Alright. Cargo add Carlosum -f language. And I think it's audio. Or audio. Sound. Metal. You're an artist. I'm not gonna get into that. We'll figure it out. I don't know why it has Surreal DB. It has some sort of RAG built in, which I'm not gonna use. I don't want too much magic, but I do like some magic. Alright. What else? So, we have Colosseum. So let me build some stuff. I don't need this. What? Doesn't have to. Alright, and alright, cool. Under inference, I need things like whisper. I need chat. Or call it sync. Should be fine. No, I'm gonna say whisper is the best term actually. Speak. Say. Whisper it is. Cool. So I don't know if it's a pub mod. We don't have an internal folder here because this is Rust. But instead, what I can do is I don't know what is this recommending to me. In Rust code. But yeah, so basically what I can do is we'll do some encapsulation here, right? So I'm gonna do a mod. These are gonna be internal. So what's happening here? That's not recommending to me. Okay. Chat. Mod. Whisper. Okay. I also need like a PKG. So that I'm gonna expose it out there, right? And PKG is what's gonna be in libars, basically. So that's gonna be public, right? Actually, I'm gonna pub use it right here.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, we do not even need PKG then. We'll figure out. So this is fine. Now let's do the chat thing first. Okay. So the first thing I need in chat is we need the system prompt. Right? I'm just gonna say agents. These are not agents, but let's still call them agents. Yes. Yes. Just doing some random crap here. Mod agent. I'm gonna do it. Don't do pub all the time by default. Just go like as and when needed. What am I doing? What did I do? No. Sorry. What am I doing? What am I doing? Alright. I need a trait. So I need a trait called. I'm thinking I don't have to do any of this because colorism already has a lot. But I still want to abstract colorism. So let's create a. I don't need async, right? Not here. In the main thing. I need along with Tokyo. Wait. We don't have Tokyo. We do have Tokyo. Okay. I need async trade.
Somewhere I don't even recognize. Talking slow under tired eyes. Didn't plan it going this way, but somehow it's okay.
I don't know what is in
every chance we were scared to take.
Very to inference.
Something we carry on. The kind of lies that make us strong. It's a long road winding, but I'm still
I don't want it here.
Closer somehow through all the
Alright. So this is gonna be an async trade.
But we're alright. This is the kind of wrong that turns out right. No big lights, no crash, no burn. Just quiet lessons we slowly learn. We'll laugh about this tomorrow night. Say remember when and hold it tight right now. It's heavy, I can't ignore. But we'll laugh about this tomorrow. We'll laugh about this tomorrow.
Forget it. There it is. Do we have Tokyo in this? Oh, that's how it works. I like that.
But maybe that's
I like that
how
actually.
it begins. Breaking down
So it's
before
gonna
the
be
goal.
an async.
Losing what you thought you'd
It's
hold.
gonna be a trade.
Somewhere in the falling through. It's making me.
Chat.
It's making you.
Alright, and it's gonna have
But we're
async
alright.
FN.
This is the kind of wrong that turns out right.
Chat.
Even here in the quiet burn, there's something.
This is gonna be like a. So it's gonna be a question answer, right? That's better. This is always that. What do I actually want? I want this thing, right? I want to basically generate lyrics. That is one. So I think let's go with that only. Let's not. What am I even under inference? Chat just works. I want the lyrics package. Lyrics package. This is a Shazam package. Although Shazam is not how that works, but I think that makes sense to me. Let's make things cool, dude. We don't need package for now. Shazam. What? Okay. Cool. So in the lyrics package, what I want is. Okay, I don't need this now. I want.
How do we reach for each other and not break what still remains? How do we get us back? How do we get us back?
This one chat.
When your road runs
It's not even a trade. I know what I'm doing. Hey, you don't know what I'm doing. I want a spec.
how do we get us back? When the love is here, but the time is left.
Okay. So I want a abstract lyrics.
But every time your hand shakes, when you almost say
Dude, not everything has to be object oriented and this and that. Just create a function. Mark it up. We'll figure out the refactoring later, dude. Just create a pub async fn get lyrics. Okay, start with that and then figure out. Okay. So now I need the model first. So I need the model to be initialized the moment our this thing is. Now you can start. So you have a lyric is the guy who makes lyrics, right? Good. So this thing first, it has a model, and I'm gonna figure out that model equal to llama dot 53. Wait. I'm going to do a cargo add anyhow. What's happening? What is going on? Mod audio. Where's coming from? Utago cargo terminal. All these have to change. App components is not here. Are you kidding me? Components under app. It's not a crate. It's just an audio. Let it fix this mess. No, this. Okay, library search, I think it added. That is fine by me. Something is broken in the thing that AI did. I'm saving this. Why is it not? Kidding me?
There's a little white church.
Yeah, components is not a thing. Audio.
What's
going on?
Every star in the sky, like you knew what we said. I told you I could stay here all my life, just counting constellations in your eyes.
What did you do?
Pocket your favorite, nobody around. Told me come on out, set your boots on the ground. You took my hand with the radio.
Okay, I have to stop because AI broke something. What are you even trying to do? This is fine, dude.
Loving you is like moving mountains.
Just move this.
Loving you is having faith.
Here, remove this. Add a mod to RS. Sorry, what the? Get rid of these. Sorry, what happened there? Why? Dude, it's under our app we have components, which is not a crate. It's stupid to be a crate. This is supposed to go right here. What happened, dude?
We ever hung out. You make coffee at your place. Try to play it cool somehow. You took my hand and showed me how to sway. Taught me how to slow dance your way. But I remember the last time we talked that night. We both knew something wasn't right. We said goodbye even though we didn't want to, because sometimes love does what it has to do. Loving you is like moving mountains when the good Lord's on your side. Loving you is having faith.
Move the modules in your components. src2 components root added mod.rs. Fix the rest. Proceed. Dude, why does AI do such stupid things? I asked you to put the components together. It doesn't mean it becomes a new crate. Dude.
That's a lie you'll never see.
Just too much.
You were the best thing I ever knew. But loving you meant letting you
50 minutes,
go
okay?
too.
I hope the max stream is going well.
In the middle of
I don't know.
nowhere. And every time
I don't want to like commit something, look at the result, compile, show, see the app, what the AI has built, look at the structure and plan for the next time before the end. So I hope I'm able to do that in the next 10 minutes.
you'll always
I
be a
don't know.
song inside my heart.
Next that. Empty by the way. That's doing something, dude. Okay, this is one claim that dynamic language zealots can actually claim, that in a dynamic language, if something breaks in a project, you generally don't have to worry about it if you're working in another part of the project. But it's the same. I know. Yeah, it's the same, dude. Here also, it's independent crates. It's just that these guys broke the dependency itself. So. Let's see. Thank you. We can continue, buddy. Alright. Inference, lyrics, mod. Thank you. I was doing this thing. Yeah, I need anyhow. So I need a prelude. Right here. This is the main one, right? Yeah. I need a prelude here. What is this? I don't know. It's great, right? I don't think it's supposed to have an entire series. I don't think it matters. Yeah, doesn't matter. Cool. So under inference, I want to preload them. Are you? Alright, so result type, which is generic, and it takes the core result, takes the same generic back and returns anyhow. Error. Wait, anyhow has a result. So I always used to use standard error, my own crates. I never really used anyhow before, so I think it's much easier with anyhow. Let's just do that. What is this? What did it do? It was me? It's definitely not me. I don't know the language and description. Text. Hey, why did you touch my crate? I don't want to do. I'll inspect myself later. I don't want that right now. I'm not even gonna worry about any of that right now. I was working with the models. I have a llama 5.3. Wait. Alright, this is gonna be a result, which is an anyhow result of lyric. I don't think lyric is the thing. This is just gonna be text. Okay. Alright, what else? What's your problem? Just return something.
I saw the pink shells stacked up like a dead blush on a table.
Alright, thank you. What's your type? Llama. So I'm gonna say model llama.
Crack of the shell.
Okay.
Then the soft
I do need an
inside
impel lyric.
blush rose macarons.
New async.
Blush rose macarons. Say my name then laugh. Blush rose macarons. Blush rose macarons. Blush rose macarons. Blush rose macarons. Sweet on your tongue. And I'm gone.
What's the problem?
In the rush, you lick the cream clean, left one for me.
Thank you.
We shared that last one like a small
Alright.
victory.
So
Your ribbon on the chair, your box by the door.
okay. How do I give
Now
the
every
system prompt again?
crumb keeps calling for more. One bite, then another, you look right through me. Ooh, crack of the shell, then the soft inside. Sweet.
Alright. I think we're in a decent position right now. I'm just gonna quickly do one thing. I'm going to compile my call also, so I'm just gonna compile the app and see if it compiles. Okay. I'm gonna commit whatever we got here. So ref added not ref. Feed added create structure. AI Max UI working on music inference.
If you come back again, I'll be here still. Blush rose macarons.
I'm gonna stop the stream once this compiles
Say my name.
and then I'm committed. Wait, the AI is trying to do it also. I'm doing it here, buddy. You're almost done. It's probably gonna be a beautiful app. Whoa, this is actually too beautiful, dude. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, Codex? Are you kidding me, Codex? Alright, and this is all star. Alright, buddy. Bye bye.